This is the O6L Pro. It's an advanced communications device sandwiched into a small, wearable smartwatch format. It accepts a SIM card in here, AT&T or T-Mobile Nano SIM, and puts you on the GSM network for standard traditional communications to any cell number anywhere, texting and voice calling. However, built into this is a network that doesn't depend on the carrier itself, but instead on the tower that it's connected to. It has texting, video, and voice calling all integrated into a network that is private to you and a select number of people, up to 50, that you allow to communicate with this watch. You do that through a phone app, and in that phone app you can initiate calls and you can call any of the phone app participants directly as well. When it comes in, you can answer into a video call, which we're looking at right now live. There's Mr. Tix, and if I can get myself on both of them, here we go. More or less. Okay, you're seeing me in both of these. The audio's turned down, but there's audio back and forth on both of them. Now, once again, what you're looking at here is this network looking at a signal coming in from the strongest tower in the neighborhood, whether it's AT&T or T-Mobile. And the network built into this watch includes a service for 3 years of unlimited voice, video, and texting on the watch, as well as the ability to put the SIM card in here and have a separate telephone network with its own phone number. It really is an advanced technology completely revolutionizing how we look at cellular communications, not by carrier and data plan, but instead by strongest signal from the tower, no matter if it's owned by AT&T or T-Mobile or someone else, as long as it's on a GSM network. It's really amazing advanced technology. It also has an SOS button on the side that I just pushed. When you do that, it puts the watch in emergency mode, and it will actually send a signal here to the phone and make a loud, really loud alarm sound and record 30 seconds of audio, and that will then be sent as a text message to the phone, along with the location position by GPS of the watch. Really great for all kinds of uses, parents and children, elders in a care home, independent workers, truckers going cross-country. Wherever you have the need and desire to have a separate, independent network connected to up to 50 people on their cell phone, one by one, individually, to communicate from the watch, or put in a SIM card and use it as an overall standard communications device. Both features are here in one device, the O6L Pro Advanced Communications Smartwatch. Check it out.